unhinged packing for Cabo. Okay, you guys, I got my base, my new suitcase that they sent me that is like a duffel suitcase, and it all these packing cubes. So I'm doing my night outs first. I am taking this white, beautiful, flowy dress from Mumu. Show me your Mumu. Show me your Mumu. We're gonna do an all white night, or we might just like capture our wedding photos. I'm gonna do this gorgeous pink dress that came in from Merlet. Then I'm doing We Wore What. Very sexy outfit they came in. Very skimpy bodysuit with some cute pants. And then one more set, just in case, as backup. Your Rococo see-through sheer skirt. And tank. So I'll bring a black bra and black boy shorts for that. Okay, so that's all the evening wear. Plus using a fun belt. Vintage belt. White cowboy kind of western belt. Whether with the white outfit, the white dress, just add a little zhuzh to it. Okay. Night out. Done. Okay, I'm gonna do pajama sets. I'm gonna do an Amazon pink shorts. I'm gonna do the boxer set with the little hearts, Amazon. And then a little short set from Amazon that looks like the negative underwear. It's so soft and comfortable. And I love a matching set just to sleep in, especially when you're traveling. Okay, and then I have one more kind of sleeper matching set that's just comfortable, long sleeve, in case it's a little bit chillier in the house than I'm anticipating. And then I'm gonna do, okay, I'm also gonna fit Hanes tank top, Amazon white tank top, black off the shoulder tee. I'm gonna do a white workout top, pink Amazon workout leggings, just in case we wanna do a little hike. And then I'll do another Amazon matching set, just in case we wanna walk or work out. And I'll just bring one pair of like little capri leggings, just in case. Okay, that's that. And then my big long boy shorts that I like. They're just comfortable to lounge in. I've got these cute pants, yellow, just to lounge in. Or my Free People. I'm gonna do the Free People. Just do the Free People. And then like an extra pair of just long shorts to have. And then Michael Stars t-shirt, case for traveling home, and a redone t-shirt, more cropped. Okay, so that's all the lounge hangout outfits. Okay, now swimsuits. I'm gonna do my skatey little leopard print. This is an oldie but really goodie Australian brand, my Missoni, and my Bowden. Find the bottoms to that. There we go. Swimsuit's done. I think I might bring this cropped sweatshirt I just got. And let me show you, hold, do a fun hat, and then my Janessa Leone bucket hat for the sun. I'm gonna bring some mini shorts, a little mini skirt. These are both Amazon. That just could be cute with a t-shirt or just even just a boat day. I got this crochet top for the beach and I love it. And even like this with like the little shorts or even the little lace skirt. And your swimsuit. So that's the swimsuit. And then I was gonna bring my Natalie Martin dresses. These are the best cover-ups and lounge dresses. Just bring one. Okay, I'm just gonna bring one Natalie Martin dress. I'm gonna bring this crocheted pant set. It's so cute. We're having a boat day, so I feel like this could be really cute for the boat with a swimsuit underneath. And then just bring like one of the dresses to throw on. So this will be one of the cutesy cover-ups. That's from Amazon. So cute. I also got this outfit from Splendid, and I'm just thinking I might bring it just in case. It's like a flowy little cute gauze skirt with the matching top, which I love matching sets like that. And then this cute sweater that you could throw over it. So this might be a backup outfit that I bring. I also have this Amazon sweater that I thought, look at the big, how cute. I just have this for like the boat or just if you're chilly at night by the beach. I just thought it was so cute. So I might do that. Then I'm bringing my white bag and my black bag from Amazon because these are just easy. And then I might bring one fun like beaded bag. Like from Zara or something, so I will find that. And I'm also going to bring this Amazon bag as my beach bag because I'm obsessed, you guys. The zebra print and these like rope and just big. It's canvas, perfect for the beach. Just looks good with everything for the boat day. Just cheap but funky and cute. So I absolutely love this. And then I just need some undies. And I was gonna bring this Veronica beard top as a cover up. That's just like an oversized shirt. It actually comes with a pair of pants, but they're too long. I have to get them done. So I was maybe gonna bring this as a cover up because I thought that could be really cute. And then I'm gonna bring these little kitten heels from Amazon. And then I'm gonna bring a white pair and a gold pair. So 3 little kitten heels, white, black, and gold. So it just kind of goes with everything. And then those bags. And then all I need is my makeup. and my toiletries, and we are ready to go. And then just undies will go in here. Packing tape are amazing, you guys. Cover-ups. It might not be necessary, but here we are. Packing tape fit so much, which is good or bad because then you want to bring everything. That is done. Two purses going in. Okay. First pair of heels. Find my other heels. This goes back, this goes back. Okay, now do I want to bring, this outfit is the question. That might just be an extra. I may take it out. That splendid outfit, I may take it out. I don't know if I need it because we're only going to be there Sunday. We get in the afternoon, so just that night. Monday all day, Tuesday's the boat, and then we have dinner at home, and then we come back Wednesday. So I don't need that much stuff. It's a very quick trip. I just need bra, undies. Okay, so bras, undies, some flat sandals, pair of sneakers. Hold. I'm gonna do these sneakers. Okay. I got some bras. White shoes, maybe these. Okay. I killed it, you guys. And I'm just debating this outfit. I might just leave it just so it's not as heavy. And then I just need my makeup in my bathroom bag and we are ready to go. And then I got to pack the jewels. I'll probably wear fucking everything, but I might bring a couple of pieces just to have fun with what I'm there, like bigger, chunkier necklaces or some big hoops, something like that. But if not, I may just wear whatever I'm wearing. But that's it. Packed for Cabo. Thanks for packing with me.